5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready?
Happy New Year!
Now my phone's in my bag.
There's a lot of floors. What else is in this building besides the museum?
Chat with the folks in the building.
Everything looks so good.
Alright, here we are.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We are make it to the observation deck. Thank you so much. So this is the beautiful observation deck. Wow. But the reason we are here, we're gonna see the 2026.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy moly.
Let's do another quick 360 walk through this brand new observation deck. The views are pretty insane. This is 42nd Street. You can see the Madame Tussauds. This direction is 7th Avenue. It's pretty sick. And this way is basically facing towards east direction. This is Knickerbocker Hotel. But the main fun part of this observation deck here, I think that transparent glass that we're gonna walk soon. This is the best part of this observation deck. It's a bit scary. But it's fun. If you're scared of height, this might be a bit terrifying, but the views is pretty solid. And it will be merged into this main platform right here. 2026 we will celebrate 250 years of American independence, and Times Square is partnering with America 250 organization, and we're gonna have something fun for this year New Year's Eve ball drop. We'll have a second post midnight event where the ball will lead as America 250. You can see it right now, and it would be color as an American flag. And not only that, they will also drop 2,000 pounds of red, white and blue confetti from nearby buildings, and it's gonna be fun. And also For the first time, in July, third ball drop will happen in Times Square. More information I'll share soon. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, then before you leave, make sure you subscribe, smash a like button, and I will see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe, stay positive, and keep exploring New York City with me. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I will see you soon.